Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I get my everyday foundation look, please keep on watching. I'm going to go with the matte and poreless because I'm out of my favorites. Actually, I'm going to mix this one because it's matte and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk because I love the finish. So we're going to mix them. It's okay. It's okay. So when I mix them, I don't do the dots all over my face. I just mix it in the back of my hand like this. Be careful because it could be a little messy. I'm very clumsy, so I normally get stuff everywhere. But it's okay. So then I use a beauty blender. This is a knockoff beauty blender. And I just dip and then go to town. So we're gonna go to my favorite part, which is concealer, especially now after having Lila. Concealer is must. So this one, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. This one, amazing. I love a bright under eye. It's honestly my favorite. I feel like it ties everything together. Like your blush, your bronzer, pretty much everything. This one is almost over, so I'm running out of everything. Everything always runs out at the same time, and it sucks because it's expensive. I always like to start blending the center first and give the under eyes a little bit of time to cook. You get better coverage that way, and Lord knows I need the coverage, so under my eyes I'm kind of gentle and I don't really press in too hard, kind of just like jam, and I start on the outside edges and then I go to the other eye and do the same thing. I'm still not done with this one. I'll go to the other side and then I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. So I do Laura, the translucent one, the original one, and then I do the Makeup Revolution and Banana. I mix them together. I know I'm extra, but it works for me, and I don't like touching on my makeup, so I just set it and forget it, girl, because I don't got time for that. So I put both of the powders on the lid, kind of shake them up a little bit so they mix. Oh, I just got it on my pants. So you want to blend out under eye. So I like to set it before I bake. I don't bake all of the time. Because it's too much on my skin. I'll get crepey. Even though I'm oily, I'll get crepey. So I like to really go in there and set. What I do, because I'm extra, is buff powder foundation all over. Not to set it, but just to give me kind of like a buffed out look. So this one is the Bare Pro again. So I like to do a kind of like a kabuki brush and just buff. Now I need to add color, okay? Color, because it's a little flat. So I don't cream contour. I don't really contour. I just bronze. So this one I used to not really love, but I've been loving, and it's the Laura Mercier bronzer, the baked one, and I like using this type of brush now. So I go in, this one kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it, which I like. In person it just looks very glowy, very pretty. I've definitely got under my chins. If I want to be a little bit snatched, which I always do, but I used to do this step all the time and then I kind of stopped. I use a darker foundation and then I contour with a darker foundation. So I go back here, just tap a little bit, don't get crazy. I kind of just do it. Oh my goodness, I forgot to do my nose. I didn't really do the bronzer on my nose and my eyes. Oh my god, I forgot. I haven't done my makeup in a while. So that's probably why. But once you do this, I'm going back with the bronzer one. I'm just blending all of that. But yeah, like if you're doing your routine every day, then it's super quick. So you have to do my nose and my eyes. So I use a fluffy brush and just act like it's my eyeshadow. I kind of go in here because I'm also gonna contour my nose with it. So don't be afraid to use a lot on this step because honestly it's awesome. So then I just go down. So now I'm going to highlight. I like to do highlight before blush. So, but before that, we're gonna use a makeup spray or just a skin spray. I don't think it's a makeup spray. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I spray a lot. Okay, highlighter. So highlight before blush, okay? Because you don't want a line. So I'm using this fluffy marker brush, and I'm using the Laura palette. Which palette is this? The Magic Hour Face Illuminator palette. So some days I feel like a gold highlight, depending on the day. That used to be my ish, okay? Laura Geller, Gilded Honey. Obsessed. Used to be obsessed, still obsessed. Just depends on the day. But I really have been feeling a rose gold highlight. Sometimes I mix them. Just depends. So this one is the one that I'm using. The rose gold looking one. So let's do the nose. So now we need blush. I love blush. Okay, I love blush. I'll show you my favorites. So my all-time favorite. I have other one. Okay, so one of my favorites is Ambering Rose by MAC. Okay, love her. Gotta have her. And then another favorite is the NARS Final Cut, which is similar to my all-time favorite, Peachy Keen from MAC. Love her, love her. But we'll do both. So I'll start with the NARS. I also wear a lot of blush. No, sorry. You have to blend it with your highlights. That way it looks really pretty. So I love her. If I'm really tired, if I look really tired, that's the blush that I go for. If I won't be glam, then I do the Ambering Rose. But I'm just gonna do a little bit of both. Okay, so now we're done. Oh, no we're not. Lips, oh my god, and lashes, oh god. We're done with the face though, that's what I meant. So, did I tell y'all I'm extra? Okay, because I'm about to show you how to use my lips. It's a little bit extra. I do liner, I do lipstick, and I do gloss. Sometimes I do 2 glosses. Sometimes I do 2 lipsticks and a gloss. It's what you gotta do to look, you know? So, line your lips. I'll fill it in a little bit. Or a lot. This I also don't really touch up. Unless I'm going somewhere after, but nope. So, White Russian by Buxom. Okay, you're gonna do this in the center of your lips. You can leave her like that, but we're not going to. I used to not be a gloss girl, but when I discovered White Russian lip gloss, I bought them. It was a wrap. We're gonna do mascara first. So this one is the Lancome Hypnose Doll Lashes. I like the shape of the wand because it just gives you like short to long. This is my everyday routine. I'm extra, but it's okay. I hope you like. I hope you subscribe for more. Yes.